First Sunday soulful session.
Hey yo, what up, beautiful Mtata people? It's your boy Loco Connect ZA, and we back again with another special Mtata Mchana podcast. Yeah, look where we are, baby. Yeah, man, it's the first Sunday of December, which is the last month of 2025. We here at Mtata Stadium, invited Kulua. We are the most prestige, and namhlanje invite for the first time. Yeah, man, but we here. Yakubona nawe mos, it's happening. So sizawuva ke ba abantu baseMthatha baphetheke njani? How's the event? It's also special because it's the first Sunday December of the last month 2025. It's been a good year, ups and downs, yeah, well, but we all see that. Let's go. Mthatha Mchana podcast. If you're watching this, hit the like button, subscribe, follow. We love you. Sam, just follow me, man. Hola, Sivana, Lano, what you say, bro? Yeah, bro. Mthatha Mchana podcast in motion. Mthatha Mchana podcast. What's your name, is? Benson Chiwenga. You know the deal. Benson Chiwenga. Say, Benson, Mthatha Mchana podcast. Yeah. Come here, man. Right, name? Africa Sandy Sondimeni. Yes. Bafollowisha njani? Oh, banfollowisha kakhe pha ku Instagram bakhayela uSindimeni, ku TikTok Amara. Yeah, konto bangayifumani. Alright, are you enjoying yourself, God? Very much. I'm even supplying drinks to the people supplying us with the fun. Chill us. Samba. Hola. Ibrazi zibambile aba. Hola, Godman. Kanjani good? Hola. Njani? Bantu. What's up, local? Yeah, man. Tachi, Ukraine mkhuluki. Ithini brand yakho lo isupporta namhlanje?
Namhlanje siphethe uNyamarien from C4 the cooking husband. Sikhona kodwa nalapha kwaPapa Ron's. There we Sunday soulful session.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Onan, Papa Che, Ibandila, Papa Che.
Yo, I got the menu here, Owens. I got the puri here going on. There, I move with the puri, chips, and I got a burger. I got a matcha platter. Everything is very nice, guys. Keep thanks. Yes. Amen. Now, yes, sir. Top of that edition, we always rock with Papa Ron's. So next to Papa Ron's, we've got the chicken porky.
Yes, sir. Porky, mama long there. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pressed is already finished. If pressed, yeah. Double.
Yes, sir. Mama Ron.
Nyamarian, I think the Nyamarian from C4 the cooking husband.
Like this.
Yeah, man.
Extend. I'll come to say, handle it, Papa Che, handle it.
Look here, guys, follow this guy and make sure you follow and comment on his videos. I love this guy. Appreciate it. Yes. Peace.
Unjani?
Ndiyaphila, uthani wena?
Khonde, yabona? Ndiyibhuli kanjani. All right. Welcome to Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Thank you so much.
Just introduce okanye just go to.
I know you. I've been watching your podcast. I'm a huge fan. There's no need for introductions. I saw you and I was like, I need to be on.
Okay. Do the honors, get. First question of the day.
Yeah.
Ongubani wena sisona.
Mna ndinguZizo Mbihlo, uZizo's Baked Goodies, uSiswe Goodies.
Siswe Goodies. Zizo Mbihlo. Isituko kalong mabani.
Oh, isuko sanga ndo kumahlibela ubaba nomhlehla umeyiwa usitotose. Zizibala makhwezi untwantwenza inkongolo. No. Bayero emampondomiseni, emaseleni kuqumi.
I'm joking. Okay.
The reputation you guys give us, guys, this I embrace.
Otherwise, Simtatang.
Zemtata ngoku. Umtata, guys, is basically my home. My empire has been built up. The streets have shown me ukuthi your hometown can never be, okanye it does not necessarily be into a back. You can even develop and flourish in your own hometown. I studied outside of my hometown, but I came back. My most successful years I've spent apha eMthatha. Bese beMthatha. Hayi uMthatha unibonisile ntwana yam uMthatha mna unibonisile. My baking business uqale eMthatha uthengisa izcones on these streets ngo-2020 during coronavirus. Ndiluze umsebenzi in a corporate setup. But ndaba nento ethi uMthatha has been my home. UMthatha will take care of me. And UMthatha has been taking care of me. 5 years in, dog.
Yeah, man.
5 years in.
It's been a joy, man.
And it's been a jolly. It's been a jolly. I won't lie. I am who I am because of these streets.
The streets. Yes, ma'am. All right. My other question. Silapa, from Lava, can you tell them?
Because this is the first Sunday soul session. It is a soul session, that's in a social event. Yes, it's a social event. There's stalls here. There's live performances. There's all DJs. There is a lovely bar. I mean, a fully stocked and a lovely bar. Cocktails in pamdam. So it's just an amazing and a beautiful environment to be in because we get to socialize also. Yeah, with fellow young business owners. Yeah, I've seen so many affluential and influential people. So for me, Sanale event has done more than just even employer as staff, has exposed me and my business once more to another level of people. Yeah, because kuko no MEC apha betunan. Kuko ni OR Tambo apha. Ilapha. Here engage.
MEC?
Sorry?
Sim CFA MEC CEO.
Nisi, unfortunately, he has just left. Yes, he left. He did come and uzo attend. But unfortunately, been a flight in but it was such an unfortunate thing. But bakhona, your OR Tambo khona. From other people who go to socialize and tourism, arts and culture, balap.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
balap. Yeah, even my friends, si flaky you, safakwa. Safa. Sabulela, yeah. Safakwa. Okay, so for social media, calling a event, but if man event on social media.
Yes, it is on social media. We have it on Facebook. We have it on TikTok. We have it on Instagram. We have it on on WhatsApp also, because we send lendos and broadcast messages there. Yeah, but that's where we got to see our packages, the lineups and everything. So across all social networks, if first Sunday soul session equal.
Okay, we're now for Nagan.
I'm also on the socials, guys. Zizo's Baked Goodies on Facebook. Or Zizo Meiwa Official on Facebook. You'll see my word there.
And in New Year,
also on TikTok, I'm there, and Instagram.
And in New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution, I want to be in town. I want to open up my own shop in town because I've been working from home. So next year,
talk to yourself.
Zizo, uma awuyivulanga le shop next year mntanam, ndicela uzosithula apha eBridge.
All right. I love that. Zizo, thank you so much. I hope to cover on this element that's a cry.
Oh, ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Yes.
So zezo ntetho ke tana eziye zindibooste, zezo ntetho eziye zidale because ukuthetha kuyadala, guys.
I mean it, mfethu. Yabo sizinkomo pha kwakho na.
Yes. Guys, mna I am valuable. Yabo. Umfazi onengqondo.
Yeah, man, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it.
Guys, I enjoy you guys. I enjoy watching your content. I enjoy his kids, the poems in between, the laughs, the scattering. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. Keep pushing what you're pushing. Umthatha is not just a name. It's a lifestyle. It's a living.
And the Tetela, we love you. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think I went to Ukraine.
So, kanjani?
Sabu, bra. Yeah, man. Yeah. Fumana be konen. And the VIP.
You know, it's VIP table. Yeah, VIP section is where you find me. So, yeah.
At least. banabahlobo baze-artist. You know what I mean? Mthatha Mthana podcast, we here, baby. Bantu Soul. Nyayazi, man. Nyayazi. Brian, are you feeling yourself?
So far, so good, bro. I mean, the music has been nice. Since we're Kalila, it's been soulful. They've been keeping it soulful and so nice. Yeah, but so I'm just enjoying myself, the feelings and my mele up and yeah.
All right. Abandu.
The people, I've managed to meet some old people that in Bazi here, so it's nice to reconnect with some friends that you haven't met, like you haven't seen in a long time. And meeting some new ones as well, hopefully, because yeah.
I mean, it's a VIP, right? Like, okay, it's not a question about Mthatha Mthana, iti. How's your love life looking like? Just describing a bodlela, or even a flower.
Describe your body.
Yeah?
Describe kanjani.
Love life, yeah. Love life. No tea.
I'm trying to think. But like describe kanjani.
Yeah, just name a bottle and then we understand about. Okay.
If I say Hennessy, I don't think I'll be reaching.
I'll go with your job,
But I think that's what I found myself.
Why would you say Hennessy?
It's nice. I can't complain. Yeah, wait. It's good.
Okay.
It's nothing I can complain about.
I hope they're watching. But my mail was. But I feel a lot of sense there. Hennis. Nigga content. All right, sir. Right, hey man. I just wanted to come through. Yabo, the actually, yes, but I done by some Mthana, Nabako, yabo. So, for the brides, the lava with school grand be so for Sunday, ne? Martin in the Google, just a message or something.
Yeah, bro. A short message that I want to say to them is good work, bro. From everyone, from the team, everyone who's here was making sure Banalenda or it's hospitable. It's nice. I just want to say good word to them and big ups. Hopefully we get to see more events like this in the future because it's palm, it's clean, the energy is good. Yeah, well, we need more events like these. That's what I'm thinking.
So that's nice, man. That's nice, man. Bantu, if you man the phone, thank you so much. Puppies. Dizamukhangela we love you, man.
It's a soulful 7th of December 2025. Deep house vibes in the air, everybody feeling alright. First Sunday soulful sessions. First Sunday soulful sessions. Oh yeah. First Sunday soulful sessions. Oh yeah. First Sunday soulful sessions. Oh yeah. First Sunday soulful sessions.
So Budam, so Buddha Ukraine, Ukraine and Hodman Zam, so Hodman, so Buddha, so Da. See, that's Kamalam Local Connect, ZA, Lunga Matigana, Lo Mkwanazm, so poor seat. Yeah, while up him Tata, I do this show called Mthatha Mthana podcast, yeah, for my nigga, Gonka Makasum, Abelulana. Yeah, but Slava Gusofu, first Sunday, soulful sessions. J4 vibes and stuff, just to document also, yabo, but when I can do them Mthatha, yabo. So I see you, then born to my man Sunday, and I'm a total lava, Casper no fan, yabo. So in the Funan Juva from Nina, Naban Buffy from Nina, yabo, ba, abakhulua, kwenzekani ngabo, ngobani, yabo. So, yeah, if I get the lens that sing, I'm cool, fees to the. When wasn't the sorry. Let me see. It's still recording. Yeah. Still. So go faster, Lord. I'm talking like a faster, but what means a faster? For my baza. And then we go to start to open later to go to that. Sila Pachinanam Saje, because of the brand. Name of the brand is SOE. Summer Nuts. It's a streetwear brand. We sell t-shirts, we sell vests, we sell hoodies, we sell everything for 50. So since we're up, so gonna have an ad. At the end of the day, but business is business. Business is business, yabo. Yeah. Except what man, except jango tayam. Chung kinebe. Aye. Kulo. When the feel. Well, I'm kulo
Sobra igama lami ngu-Inga wakwaSobahle uMbangi umkhondo unjilo uNomabizi khona sikakhala umntwana ebeleni. Bayibona sizile nje apha as you said Sunday Soulful Session. But as much as it is apha, we're here to get exposure for like a brand, because this has been a child of Teen as a group, but most importantly Lomfana or Umtayena and this guy Simniki and the two abekho lapha khona, but we're here as support. Bayibona. It's not about the profit most of, but more about supporting the core structure now, to push your brand as a village, yabo. Ngoba unokwazi uyenza wedwa ukhule nabantu, yabo. So ufuna uyifumane support from somewhere, yabo. Kunabantu ababelieve kuwe ke kabi khona, yabo, because into ebafani until iphumelele. Yabo. It's cringe until it works out. Watch abantu so. Yabo. Everyone saw something wrong until it worked, yeah. Well, so we are here. Oba, so support you, so push your business, because at the end of the day, business is business. You have to make something out of nothing. Yeah, well, something has to give. So since a little way. As much as but business must also be there. Yeah, well, to support the other side. So since a little yeah, well,
now, good man. Say, let's keep it brief, Nelly. Say, God,
Okay. Tingsimiki yomtsanga upukwana ngalapho kwezi sisehamba so promoter le brand so in and sisehamba so konaba in fact yeah no so nodile high vibes last khona nangizongakubona it's live
I'm just J in. Yeah. This is nice. Bukule. Ngathi Bukule on this. Yeah. We are chilling here, promoting. Upoliwe, yeah. Nango new weather. It's cold, but yeah. We're pushing. We're kakazing. But we're pushing. Yeah, bro. Raz, I command you nditsho nam. Inan, yabo, keep at it. Ningachafi. It's the first time nam nibona le brand, yabo. But nizama ukuthi kuningachafi. Social media nikhona niyafumaneka. Sithini. Our social media is SOE Clothing 2 on Instagram. And then email here too, it's soeclothing2@gmail.com. And then if you go websites, and the website is www.soeclothing.com. Hello. All right. Hey, Praz. Sorry, man. All right, Praz, man. Maninshi and Makulu in the night. Thank you so much, my friend. Yeah, man. Oh, I love life, my Praz. Sunshine the bone, I love life here in Nogo. Quite describe, Branga Bodlel. Just shots. One shot. I love life, yam. Yeah. I love life, yam is the most expensive shot you can ever get. Dichatile. Na you love life, apa. Yes. Hey, Fungaviruji, you call Ano. Ya kaka. Oh, the yaka. Where I want. It's under scrutiny.
no I am gonna say manditi Hennessy yeah no no not kanjalo not ngale ndlela itha
Well, yeah. It's bad. No. Keep VSOP. We like VSOP aside. Yeah. As ninjas VSOP, hey, still. Okay. The feel like Abakulu. Good man. I'm good. Just introduce Kanye, so.
Okay, introduce yourself and then I will.
All right. igama lami ngulunga wakwaMathikane ndingubhukula ke mina umkhwanazi umhlophe wosisingithe. Wait, it's fine. But again, there's a show kuthiwa Umtshana Mshana podcast. Local Connect, yawazi local, yeah, so nje siyabuza abantu ngubani waphi wenzani ku-first Sunday, yabo, and any messages you want to send into njalo, yabo. So wena sisi wami ngubani?
Mna ndingu-Asandile Dloba ndihlala eTorhana. Sikwi-first Sunday namhlanje. If you are not here, uphi? You're missing out.
Yeah. And then it's 2025 mos, yabo. So any New Year's resolutions?
Guys, kulo nyaka uzayo cela sinyuseni ikawusi.
Nguthethe nawe alothisa nawe.
Mna, okay, kulo nyaka uzayo mna ndimisa ikawusi. And I'm waiting for good news for myself. And I can't wait for next year. I'm hoping nani guys nimlindile next year njengam.
Yeah, niyayiva-ke. Okay, msekhaya, umabani kala, masikala umabani.
Oh, ndinguMancasana uSikhonza.
That's on, can't even say 3. Please.
Okay, ndizazi zonke ne. But nendazi uba ndinguMancasana uSikhonza ndisuka kuPumbu. Yes.
Oh, Nyasani.
Yes.
Siyambona. Yes, ma'am. Okay, experience yakho ke apha namhlanje ye kanjani?
Oh, the best. I wouldn't miss it for the world. If akho lapha andazi ba uphi. Even nalesa Highfaria yiNtswembu nge-7 kaSeptember. Even nalapha kuNtswembu. Watch out.
Masithumele message kwabantu like basisele le event, even the sponsors.
Oh, sibulela i-sponsor uSchweppes. Which one? No. Sibulela abantu abenza le event, most of all. Sibulela bona because ngaba abantu abesenzayo ba be together and connect.
Yeah, and connect.
Kuthayini landa? We are connected, no networking. If networking, we are Galavanda. Galabanti.
Alright. Abantu abafuna social media bakufumana njani?
On Facebook, ndinguSelisha Fuzani. On Instagram, ndinguSesh98 something. But you will get it. If you only search Asandile Dloba, you will find me.
Miss Nova, thank you so much. I'll be enjoying now. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I am. Hola, we back again. Jonga manje menyiwa apha ngumkhulu. Uthi umkhulu masondele naye uyafuna uyiva lento iviwapha. Khulu wami uGreen, japhila njani Ntalongas? Akhondo Brian. Ebrian, I think uyandazi. Ne. Kodwa yomntakwethu, for the sake of podcasting, let me do it for you, ne. Ulocal Connect lona, ne. Ulunga wakwaMathikane, ubhukula umkhwanazi umhlophe wosisithi. Uyabona. Ngongabe 60 but ke silapha sikhulele yapha eMthatha kulomthatha siwuthandayo yabo. I'm here first Sunday kumnandi awe yabo. So mntakwethu wena ungubani?
Nabrand Nkonke aka Ugoza Mbogodi ngwasendibileni Anas.
Yeah, okay, konke kubani Stu?
Kunzaba bra ngumsuthu lo ngumacaba ngumaqaqane ngwelasi ngawele lithukela.
Kumsanam. Bone. Oh, all right, but first Sunday, nanzana ababrand baphethe ndona abantu.
Sijeje apha nyama jeqe ntontoni yonke into ayifumana apha ebhuti bone amanqina otherwise bone abantu bayasondela bhuti ana kanjani bazisela ikasi mozi eza first Sunday bayithe thatha ikasi zizapha
Yes sir, yes sir. Okay. Yebraham, siyamgqiba u-2025 kanti. So, any New Year's resolutions onazo nje, even for your business.
romani yam bra kuphanda mnga like inyaka benzima simokola obvious kanofana abanye bawela endleleni but selapha thina siyaqhuba ispirit yahamba mana ayikho indlela.
Yeah. So, ndifuna uxelele wena phaa xa ibona le way next year. Ntoni orhalela mhlawumbe achieve nabika?
romani yam bani ibhizinesi into ngamandla ibhizinesi into ngamandla imisebenzi ayizi kuthi asiyifumani imisebenzi sayikhangela so mna as youth nami ndithatha ndiyi-youth mos vuka uphande mani vuka uzenzele awuzuyifumani uhlele ekoneni kudala sayithetha loo way leyo rhereza uthi yam mokola yabo
Otherwise bafumana njani social media ngomkhulo?
yam konke mbhokodi bese Facebook Instagram konke mbhokodi ese ya romani yam
Jonga ke ngoku, just nje nenye question yam. Umntu selapha ebona mos
awe
bahla abantu apha.
awe
Yabo.
awe
So i-love life yakho masiyidescribe mameza ndifuna nje i-love life yakho
okay
uyidescribe nge-liquor bottle eyi-one like noba yeyiphi i-liquor bottle othengayo uthi yabo i-love life yami yiyo leya.
it's yo nasithini nabrana
Complicated bro. Kaloku isenjoy ndifuna igama lebhodlela ibe yi-one just to describe yonke lo complicated ethetha ngayo. Ingayibhoko, ingayicommando, ingayihenesi, ingayintoni. So nathi abantu bayazi. Umzekelo eyam love like eyam i-love like we are cruising John Joey we are cruising night yabo, we are cruising night bele autopilot nawe John
awe
sikhabo yami i-love life
awe
yabo. So xa ujonge iJohn uyazi bulokhu say kuli yabo. So wena xa ujonge wena thini yabo love life?
romani yam ikhomando mna buyiselembo bone mxhosa lo ayikho nje buyiselembo wona ubona pha
Hey, bra, come on. Sisters, I hope nimamele, sister. I hope nimamele. Yeah, man. Tonga mfowethu ngiyabulela man. I hope uThixo akwandelisele. Yeah, bra, wena khange ungifaka kaloku mna andilanduke bani. Wena mkhulu wami ngubani, wena mkhulu wami?
raya mna ndingungale ibhura ma
Yeah.
aka manqasha umqesibe lo nonzaba
Yes, sir.
wathina ebheka njengomntana umntakathagatha webhura
Ilo-
inkaba bikho isengqeleni kwanza but ndikhulela apha eMthatha bra Mthatha ya itawuni yam endiyithanda big time andifuna ubhosisa bra sikhona isikigaba andanoba kuba bendisiwa ndifika kule dolophu nabathi I have that thing for Umthatha yeah. Umthatha undomelezile I've been through some places but bendiyiva kwendawo ndifika kuzo hamba ndinawo amandla because of i-ups and downs ebendikunaso kule dolophu ya kulo ya
Yeah, bra, kodwa kuyasipaneka like senjo everything is moving lapho.
yapusheka bra and I would say apha enyakeni it was hard andifuna uphosisa but lo nyaka uDisemba lo ya izinto ziyenzeka bra we're getting there andifuna uphosisa ibonakalisa into yobana ngaba in fact it gives me hope that ngo-2026 it's gonna be much better than lo nyaka ndingalo Disemba utshayelela lona bra andifuna uphosisa kuyasebenzeka bro
Adwayam masingawenzi mati. Message nje ibeni to la madoda asenzele lo yonke lena.
Yeah, anduzwenza bemade kwami. I just want to say, bro, everything is possible through faith, bro. Unokholo and you trust what you are doing is going to happen. Izokwenze.
Yes.
Ilo message incinci uba yonke into iyenzeka ngokholo. Noba ukholo lapho, bro, if you have faith, you're going to make it happen.
Yes sir. Nivile patient kuzolunga. Nivile umkhulu walo. Khona manje khaba ifumane lana ndifuna nje landawo igama nefani.
Igama ngungqali bhudo amne. Ngwakathakathi senemyalo umcesibe.
Let's do.
Siye baxesibe olwenzaba ubhelesi bathina ebheka njengomntana njengoba nditshilo kuwo inkaba yam apha ikho ikhaya lam lisengqeleni kulali yabantsaka yabo ntwamani kodwa ngokuhlala ndihlala apha eMthatha apha eFirstY
Okay.
ewe mali
Ku social media bakufumana njani?
Ku-Facebook bra is just simple uthakatha ngcali. Yeah, but ke le nye business yami endiyiphushayo esethaleli ngumfama yeso. Yeah, but ke nalapha enye hustling endiyenzayo i-catering yabo. Ngumfana for a bit time ayikwenye indlela because afuna ndisebenzele abantwana and I've got a family yabo. So yonke into ixhomeke kum.
Taken ke asalibuzi la question.
Yam ndihamba ngalamazi uba everything is possible through pain. Ngomso akuzufana se. You see?
Kulo yabulela uchika kwandisele funga kuweta khona bra. Ni followishe phela emakhasini. Yabo if you watching this hit the like button. Kyakhuma. Subscribe. Follow. Make sure uba yabo niyakhomenta. Yabo we love y'all. Anabuka nale pot ba na selo ante. Might be interesting to Tata. Yaki. Yaki the Jaga. I'll show you something to I'll show you Hello, Chan. First and it's awful sections. Swap on that's happening. This is the VIP section. Hakatale. Getting a receipt.
Nah, is Godman Ukraine. So kanjani puri? Sha Godman. Ndiyavuya ke into ndikufumane. Jala ngibonele nkomba ye ubra yiza ngaba zoom. Ngiyacela bra ndingathi avele uGodman because uthwele nesinqwazi. Yabo yeah. Godman welcome to the podcast. Tata Mchana. Igama lami ke official local connect ZA. Wasemthatha ulunga lo kwamadikane ubhukula umkhwanazi umhlophe uHosisitha ngabangabe sibisibi but ke khulele apha eMthatha yabo yonke into yami ngiyenzele apha so I do this podcast yayazi what it's all about but ngicela unenzele nje honor silapha it's a beautiful day first Sunday ka December 2025 which is the last month of 2025 yabo so namkhulu ungubani yo thanks again when I'm for it for the platform and I believe it's a great thing this is what we need, this is what we want. People need to know us so once it us as in the artist ababelonga apha when I'm saying okay what ngawenzanga bemathu enanja yami in Kells Deep voice stage name igama ikhago yaba kodwa bisakona so aziweza khona we live like the way asiscriptwanga so akazungandibulisa Mr. Luke by the way that was another DJ ndungiyanga igama umthakatha libomvane ke nani so ngapha elwandle bycast ngongebo ngoba umdudumane ongaleka kwakulolo miss so bycast izinkosi zama ukuthi wena local connection nanje yami thanks again man for the opportunity size apha quiz first Sunday soulful akugcwelanga kumnandi having a beautiful set today simrate ngiyaviva udlala ngabantu dlala ngo2 bra 3 o'clock so you can imagine yabona into zokukhipha up yabona the vibe and also khona ku-fashion ibiyabona mahu what's going on they inherit uitsho ngisise mntakamsholozi uitsho ngisise designer so every time when I pull up ku-event so logo ngithe inherit because I want to be different that's my belief every time when you do something do it ngendlela yakho not ngendlela yomunye so that you can be easily shine also was baba point man Kells Deep lonke exactly inherit sure for abantu abafunayo ku socials bafumana njani mkhulu just go Facebook Kells Deep RSA Instagram Kells Deep RSA Twitter Kells Deep RSA Kells New Year's resolutions yonazo bras means one of them most important I'm releasing serious project that will change the game yalapha Eastern Cape the reason why I'm confident without we low way because I've been in the game here now ayazi lo way sebenze nabantu abaninzi bra yabo more especially the underdogs yabo from hip hop to house music yabo like any genre of Mthatha akekho umuntu ongayaziyo and also I have studio whereby I've assisted a lot of people to record and so I've been there so I understand what's needed and also everything man I understand the game so next year I'm dropping a serious project man bra sinawenza imali message nje to the guys that hosted this beautiful event bafethu in Kobelizanda this is beautiful from abantu abafana nathi akukho mntu ngaphandle. Oh shit, yalibala uba kumele ndijonge ikhamera. Yilidembe ingxaki i-Facebook yabo, so ndijonge i-interviews. Yeah, so yabo abona bantu ndibapha amandla, yabona la majita enza the event. Bafethu ningatyhafi, this is what we need, this is what we love, this is what we expect from uthi ngoku going onwards. Bangafika abantu bangaphandle bazokwenza events sikhona. So that's my message. Keep it up, bafethu. This is good, this is powerful, more fire.
Yes, sir.
Takez, yabulela Mkuluwa. Thank you, bro.
Have a jolly night, Mkuluwa. Thank you so much, Brian.
Yeah, namkhalula nishela nje ne-messages umthatha mthanda podcast. Bafethu ingancinci ngoku kuba niyiqala.
Yeah.
But trust me, if ninga consistent, you're going far because iyadingeka le way. Abantu bafuna uyiva information. Kwabantu abahlele endlini abangakwazanga ukuthi apha, but they need to hear information. What was going on? What's popping? What's coming? Yabo, so ndizama ukuthi kwakuni bafethu ningatyhafi. Yeah.
Zoom mamele le.
Thank you, man.
Sure good man, Dabulela. Tata Mchana podcast, and if you're watching this, hit the like button, the share button, follow. Make sure you comment. Shine among fire emoji. This is Local Connect. Hey, it's hard to say goodbye, but yeah. First Sunday Soulful Sessions 2025, December 7th. Bye.
This is